What's up everyone, KSG Vlogs here. Today we are back with the Cupbit portable washing machine again. First portable washing machine of 2023. And we are doing anime clothes. We got this anime blanket right here, and then we got two anime shirts. We're gonna hopefully fit this all into this one wash tub today. And we're just gonna get started. I'm gonna first put this My Hero Academia shirt on. That goes in like that. And then we're gonna put this blanket in that I'm pretty sure is from Demon Slayer. And then we're gonna try to fit in a Naruto shirt in later. I just want to fit that all in right now. Then we're gonna add the soap, which is Arm & Hammer with OxiClean. And we'll use about that much or so. And I got some Suavitel fabric softeners that we're gonna put in later. This Suavitel Complete. Suavitel Complete. It is floral burst. And we'll just set this over here. And we'll just use some of that stuff from the basket later on when it's needed. So I'm gonna take out this hose a little bit. I'm gonna make sure this hose is on the faucet correctly. Which it is. I'll open this back up. The hose that is meant for this thing, that's supposed to go in this inlet over here, doesn't fit on this commercial faucet that we have. So looks like we're going to be able to fit the Naruto shirt in there later on. Once this is filled up, we're going to fill this up to about, I don't know, maybe around there, maybe a bit higher, maybe a bit lower, just depends. We're doing this on the gentle setting, and the wash is going to last about 3 to 6 minutes. My washer is running off an extension cord over here that's plugged in over here, and then the outlet's over by my actual washing machine over there. Probably enough water. So I'm gonna take this out, put this back in the laundry sink over here. It's behind the washer. washer in, and if not, we'll add some more water. I haven't watched much of Naruto, but it was just too long for me to finish. But I thought I might as well watch the shirt anyway, since it is a popular anime. God, I can't speak. Add a bit more detergent just to make this a bit more fun. Here's the rest of my laundry room. Stuff, so you guys can see. This is the rest of my laundry room. There's my laundry supplies. Got a couple of vacuums and carpet cleaners over there. Got the chest freezer. Here's the stuff we're using today. Here's the Suavitel Complete. This is for my regular washer. This down is for my regular washer, which is on the flip over here. And then this is the detergent. Then I'll bring this over here. Come on the other side. Here's my Maytag or Whirlpool dryer. I think it's Whirlpool. Yep, Whirlpool dryer. And then here's my Maytag washing machine. And we got the portable washer. That's the outlet I was talking about earlier, by the way. Here's the portable washer area. I'm gonna put this soap away. This won't need it anymore. If this coffee needs this spin. This is a one trap that does absolutely nothing, by the way. We're just going to end this now because we want to get this to drain because you might need to do an extra rinse on this one. It drains into this floor drain by over here by the way. This one right here. I can't tell what shirt this is. I'm gonna be able to sync that one. This is my macadamia shirt. And it's upside down. There it is. Man, this one's heavy. Here's the other shirt. Look at all the sud stuff in this drain over here. Alright. There it is. And then this goes on top of the clothes. There, like that. I'm going to keep this in here because I'm going to rinse all this. I'm going to rinse this out real quick and then drain it again. That's good. Okay. So I'm gonna start putting these in. ran the wire a bit too fast. There we go. Okay. Suavitel fabric softener goes in. Not that much. Ooh, that went in the stone. Who cares? Oh, that's got fabric softener, just not hurt. We're going to do a 3-minute rinse. I'm going to put this back to gentle. Alright, I'll take this hose back on. Stop this short so we can end this video off after we drain this and spin this. I don't need to squeeze any of this out because it's not soapy water. It's basically just fabric softener water at this point. Oh, but this one's pretty heavy. Ooh, gosh, that's been on the floor and everything. Okay. Maybe do that slowly. looks like that. Still a bit of suds in there, not a big deal. It's not like the big suds that we had a couple minutes ago. Alright, spin for 1 minute. Actually, I'm gonna put it. Alright, we are all done with this. Gonna put this disc back. Everything smells nice. Got the My Hero Academia one right here. My Hero Academia. Alright. I'll get this one over here. Then we got the Naruto one there. Alright, hope you guys enjoy it. Like, subscribe, and share as always. Thank you, and goodbye.